As the newly appointed school head, what should you do first? A strategic action aligned with the basic principles of educational facilities to ensure that your school's dual function as a learning and a community center. So our answer here is B. We convene as a school community that we plan and reassess the facility utilization and establish a flexible emergency responsive spaces in coordination with our local authorities. So that will be the first step or strategic action that you should employ considering that our school ay hindi po natin totally pag-aari. No? It can be a community learning center or a community-based center, meaning it can be used and being occupied by the entire community during the time of disasters. So we should ensure that our classrooms are widely open, okay, safe. Hindi po siya mas delikado, no? Pag ginamit nating evacuation center, mas malala pala yung mangyayari sa buhay nila pag dinala natin sila sa school, no? So let's check that. Dapat ang school ay one of the toughest, one of the strongest, one of the surest possible way to survive and to go as an evacuation area. Rather than doon pala na tayo madidedo, no, doon na yung the last, no, until, dahil yung ceiling natin delikado, yung bintana hindi naman siya fully closed, no? May mga rooms kasi tayo na wala ng bintana dahil bagong lipunan pa, hindi pa napalitan. Yan. Paano tayo mag-entertain na sabihin this is a resilient school, no? So you should assess first. That's the first activity that we're going to do, is to conduct a strategic action. Then share it to your barangay councils, okay? And even in the municipal LGU, that how can we accommodate people, okay? How can we accommodate our barangay people if our school is not resilient, no? Hindi naman siya earthquake resilient or typhoon resilient na building. Anong gagawin natin to, Mayor, no? Dadalhin nyo po sa amin yung mga tao tapos nababaha naman yung floor. Paano sila matutulog? So yun yung parang way natin, no, to encourage our local executives, our LGU, to help us finance our schools, considering that schools are the second home, no, during the time of disasters. Kasi maraming mga area na wala namang evacuation centers. Meron po ba? Or yung school nyo talaga ang puntirya? Tama po ba? Hello?
Yes po,
meron na po ba lahat na evacuation centers maliban sa school ninyo? Meron na bang na-establish ang LGU ninyo na hindi na po mga schools ang dalahin ng mga evacuators or
Meron na daw.
Meron na po, Doc, dito sa Lalo. Marami na po.
Okay, marami. So maganda na yon, hindi na yung school ang
yes, Doc.
sasali sa kanila.
Kasi school ginagawa
natin, no, i-assess.
Center.
Hindi po kaya. Hindi kaya ng school lahat i-accommodate. Tapos, naku, ang problema naman pagdating ng panahon, pag-aalis na sila sa school, nasira na, ginawang higaan yung visual aid ni teacher, no? Lahat ng toothbrush na ginagamit ng mga estudyante during sa kanilang okay ka DepEd na toothbrushing, gano'n, wala na, nasira na. Lahat ng baso, yung Manila paper, naransak na yung table ni teacher, yung CR barado, mas na triple yung problema natin. However, hindi po natin pwedeng sabihin na bawal, no? Naku, Mayor, hindi po pwede kasi sisirain ulit, no? Hindi pwede yon, no? Tayo yung unang magsasabing welcome kahit anong mangyari. Huwag po natin sabihin hindi po pwede dahil ang school ay it's a learning center or it's a community center owned by the community and we don't own it. Next. Question 2. As the school head, what should be your best course of action? Consistent with the principles of educational facility management in Domain 2 Strand 2.4, that is establishing a school facility improvement plan aligned with the catchment area and learner population growth, that the school should recommend an intermediate construction of a covered court even without the school lacks sufficient classroom for grade 7 and 8. Facilitate a participatory planning workshop to prioritize the projects based on the urgency, learners' needs, and available resources before the finalization of your SFIP. Okay, which one should be given more priority here? Is it a covered court or a classroom for grade 7 and 8? Tanong ko sa inyo, ano pong mas uunahin po ninyong i-establish? A covered court or a room for grade 7 and 8?
Room for grade
Establish
7.
room before opening a covered court. Next. Ilan ang nakakuha? All of you got the correct answer. Lahat ng color green ay correct. 5 points. Red means you are not able to get the correct answer. Okay. Question 3. A strong earthquake damaged 2 classrooms of San Rafael Elementary School. The classrooms were immediately declared unsafe for occupancy by the LGU. The PTA insisted of repairing the room using a local donation without consulting your division office, claiming that the learners urgently need a place of classes. As the school head, what is the most appropriate action aligned with the DepEd facility management principle and safety standards? Are you allowing the PTA to conduct a repair of that strongly damaged classroom? Okay, the answer is no. You have to report the situation immediately to the division office, ensuring compliance with the safety standards, and request a joint inspection before any repair or construction should be made in that 2-door classroom. Okay, maaring ang pananaw ng mga parents ay hindi pwede dahil marami ng mga trusses at mga columns ang nasira. Nag-separate na yung mga walls niya at hindi na po pwedeng pamasukan pa ng mag-aaral. Yun po ang ipapa-assess po natin, no? Bago tayo gagawa ng course of action. Okay? Kumusta ang result? Green, 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 green grass. Very good. Lahat tayo ay may mga red sa dulo. Natin tingnan yung mga pangalan. Okay, next. During the mid-year financial review, you discovered that several classrooms in your school have broken ceilings, broken fans, and damaged lighting fixtures. Teachers have already reported these issues, but no repairs have been made due to limited funds. SGC suggests of using MOE funds intended for the school events to fix the facility immediately. As the school head, what should you do to ensure the proper accountability of all the resources in your school? You have to conduct a consultative reprogramming of your MOE expenditures with the SGC or finance of personnel to legally realign funds for urgent facility repair, ensuring the transparency and documentation. Okay? There should be a dialogue and a revisit. No, tawag dyan ay revisiting of your SIP plan, which one to be considered, considering na nagkaroon nga ng disruptive damage due to typhoon. Kasi hindi naman po natin alam na magkakaroon ng bagyo sa particular year na yan. So you should always have a...
so wala. Sarang ka ka makaon. Nagtungalakay mining tatayan. Preto.
Ano yung measure natin na gano'n na we are setting aside another fund for disaster? May term tayo doon, no? Contingency fund. Contingency fund. The answer is D. Green, green, green. Very nice naman po. Okay. School is also called Community Learning Center. Green, green, green. May mga others na red. What is the other term for school? No, is Community Learning Center. What do we mean by a visionary school head? Pag sinabing visionary, you are visioning the future. You are looking what will happen to your school in the near future or 10 years from now. So the answer here is forward thinking, no? Forward thinking facility management program. Foreseeing the future. So forward. Medyo may red dito, no? Okay. Maganda din na alam natin yung mga terms para alam nating iswak kung anong magiging answer na. What DepEd order is standards, the standards, compliance that promote a barrier-free design and accessibility of all educational facilities is Batas Pambansa Bilang 344 on Accessibility Law intended for the learners and teachers with disabilities. No? Tingnan ko nga kung lahat kayo ay nakakuha. May mga red. Ati ang sagot. Okay, kapag disability, PWD ay accessibility law. Next, when schools are used as evacuation, the other term again for schools can serve as a neighborhood-based learning center. Na-rename lang, no? May red.
Yan itong manla ito niya naka-charge.
To encourage private sector and community participation. Okay. What is the program that we have until now? Hindi pa ito na-rescinded that we need to have a Adapt a School program. Have you heard about this? Adapt School? Private schools can adopt a school. Are you a recipient of Adapt a School? Mostly ito yung mga college, no, tertiary education institutions who are looking for a recipient of their programs in their respective college of education, mga ganun. So we welcome them. Others are from other departments, no? Department of Agriculture, they tie up with an agriculture or a textbook school and to conduct their extension activities. Ganun siya. Question 10, coordinate with the division Adapt a School coordinator to review and approve the partnership agreement. Okay, what do you do if you have an Adapt a School? You have to inform the division and sign a memorandum of agreement regarding the partnership agreement first. Do not just accept, no? There should always be a binding agreement between you and the private entity. As part of the division sustainability audit, compliance with the initiate project that promotes efficient energy use, efficient energy use, waste segregation, and eco-friendly landscaping involving both learners. This initiative best reflects the principle of environmental sustainability and resource efficiency as mentioned in our review material. Okay, everybody got the correct answer. All in green naman. Let's see kung anong mga super red. Okay, ito medyo may mga red when it comes to arranging or looking into which one should be included, which ones deemed to be excluded. As part of the mid-year's facility inspection, The school head review the following maintenance and management action. Which among these reflect a effective management of physical facilities? Conducted a quarterly inspection, correct? Ensured that learning resources are properly inventoried, correct? Defer the repair. Defer means stop. So 3 is negative. So therefore, you have to remove 3 from the options. Asan dyan ang walang 3? Ang sagot natin ay B, 1, 2, and 4. Ganun lamang mag-eliminate ng mga answers sa mga ganitong mga situations. Look for the negative statements. Next. So, which statement reflect proper utilization and accountability of MOE? Tingnan nyo agad yung tanong sa baba. No? Kung dehado na kayo sa time, sa mga ganitong mga tanong na ABCD 111, you look at the very question na. Which statement reflect the proper, meaning you look for the positive use of MOOE. Conduct regular consultation, correct? Use MOOE funds for student field trip. Pinagbabawal ito. So 2 should not be included. So the answer is 1, 3, and 4. Ganun lang. Oh. Click nyo na, then proceed to the next question. The school head conducted quarterly evaluation. Which among the above action sounds resource management and interagency collaboration? Prioritize repair, request assistance, use the school maintenance savings to purchase new teacher laptops without the approval. So remove 3. Okay, very good. Ang gagaling nyo. Below is the summary of the facility conditions and maintenance report of Maligaya High School. As the school head, which prioritization and budgeting decisions best align with DO 8 of 2019 and the BPSH competency for optimal resource management? The answer is, which one should be prioritized? Is it, okay, look into the urgency needs, no? High, medium, and low. So there are high, dalawa ang i-priority. We have the classroom roof and the ICT room electrical wiring. So prioritize the ICT and the wiring and request a self-assistance to this high urgency. Okay? Mas marami naman pong green. Based on the basic principle of educational facilities outlined in your reading clip, which facility design best exemplify the purpose of educational facility as a community learning center? Which one is the best? Okay, community-based ang term natin. So you have to look into a community-based adaptive design with open and flexible classrooms that can be reconfined or reconfigured of different teaching methods that includes the accessibility, green spaces, promotes parent and community use of after class hours. Traditional classrooms with fixed furnitures and minimal ventilation. Minimal are items na hindi pwedeng best. Compact school layout, prioritizing administrative offices rather than school classrooms. Modern facade with expensive import materials of your gate. No, hindi po yun ang purpose. So option A. Wow, very nice. All of you got the correct answer. Gagaling nyo palang mag-study ng mga tables, no? Based on the table, which facility is misuse? Misuse meaning mali sa gamit. Asan dyan ang mali sa gamit? Saan nyo makikita? Sa? Sagot?
Kantin.
Kantin, Doc. Kantin.
Bakit ang kantin ang maling gamit? rented of a private vendor on weekends. Hindi po pwede na ipagamit nyo sa mga private vendor ang canteen nyo during feeding program. Commercial pag Sunday, no? Siguro to malapit sa dapon or market. Coordinated, data-driven. Halata nyo naman po yung mga tamang sagot, no? Pag binabasa nyo, kino-compare nyo yung mga other responses. Kung sino sa kanila ang nagbibigay ng very substantial evidence, okay? Very informative at scientific ang term niya, educational ang mga ginagamit niyang specific terms, yun ang sagot, no? Rather than to have a incomplete information yung mga responses or options. Okay, all green. Saan lang talaga kayo na lito? Okay,